What if I told you that your gut isn't just for digestion? It's actually running your entire life. Your mood, your energy, your cravings, even your risk for diseases like diabetes, anxiety, and heart problems, all trace back to one hidden control center inside you, your gut. Sounds unbelievable? Well, modern science and even ancient medicine both agree on this. And the scary part? Most people have no idea their gut is damaged until it's too late. If you've ever felt bloated, tired, foggy, or constantly craving junk food, your gut might be crying for help. But don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll discover how your gut secretly controls your brain and body, the everyday habits that are silently destroying it, and proven science-backed steps to fix it. Starting today. So stick around. This might just change the way you think about your gut health forever. The hidden world inside you. Inside your gut lives an entire universe, trillions of bacteria, fungi, and viruses, known as the gut microbiome. Think of it as your body's ecosystem, a microscopic rainforest where some creatures keep you healthy and others cause chaos. The good bacteria digest your food, make vitamins, protect your immune system, and even produce feel-good chemicals. The bad bacteria trigger inflammation, slow digestion, and can even manipulate your brain. Yes, studies from Harvard and Stanford show that certain gut microbes can literally influence your cravings, tricking you into eating more sugar and junk food just to keep themselves alive. So next time you reach for chips at midnight, ask yourself, is it really you or your bacteria controlling the cravings? You've probably heard the phrase, trust your gut. But what if that's not just a saying? It's biology. Your gut and brain are in constant communication through something called the gut-brain axis. It's like a live chat, sending messages back and forth every second. In fact, about 90% of serotonin, the hormone that controls happiness and mood, is produced in your gut, not your brain. Your gut bacteria also influence dopamine, the motivation and focus neurotransmitter. So when your gut is inflamed or imbalanced, your brain feels it. A 2017 study in reputed journal Nature Microbiology found that people with poor gut diversity had significantly higher rates of anxiety and depression. Simply put, when your gut is unhappy, your mind suffers too. Now here's where it gets really serious. Your gut bacteria influence almost every major disease we know. Obesity, certain gut microbes can make your body store more fat. Diabetes, an imbalanced gut triggers insulin resistance. Heart disease. Harmful bacteria produce compounds that raise cholesterol and inflammation. Autoimmune disorders like arthritis and multiple sclerosis, because 70% of your immune system lives in your gut. When your gut lining gets damaged, toxins can leak into your bloodstream, setting off inflammation everywhere. Scientists call this leaky gut syndrome, and it's linked to everything from arthritis to brain fog. So if your gut is unhealthy, it's not just your stomach that's in trouble, it's your entire system. Now you may be wondering, what's destroying your gut? 50 years ago, people had healthier guts, but today, research shows we've lost over 50% of our gut microbiome diversity due to modern lifestyles. Processed foods and sugar feed the bad bacteria. Antibiotic overuse wipes out both good and bad bacteria. Chronic stress alters your gut chemistry and weakens digestion. Artificial sweeteners linked to harmful bacterial imbalances. Low fiber intake starves your beneficial microbes. It's no wonder our guts are struggling. They're under attack every single day. So how to repair your gut naturally? Here's the good news. Your gut can heal itself, and it doesn't require fancy supplements or detoxes. Start with these science-backed simple steps. Eat more fiber. Aim for at least 25-30 grams daily from fruits, veggies, legumes, and whole grains. Your good bacterias feed on fiber. It's their favorite meal. Include fermented foods, yogurt, pickle, kimchi. Add beneficial live cultures to your gut. Cut down on processed food and sugar. This starves the bad bacteria and helps the good ones thrive. Stay hydrated. Water keeps your gut lining strong and supports digestion. Manage stress through meditation, deep breathing, and regular exercise. Eat prebiotic foods like garlic, onions, bananas, and asparagus to feed your good bacteria. Try intermittent fasting. Research shows fasting increases gut diversity and reduces inflammation. You don't need to do all of these at once. Start small and be consistent. Your gut isn't just part of your body. It's the foundation of your entire health. When you heal your gut, you don't just fix digestion, you boost your mood, your energy, your immunity, and even your longevity. So tell me in the comments, which gut healing habit are you starting today? If you found this helpful, hit that like button, share it with your beloved ones, and subscribe for more science-based health insights. Until next time, take care of your gut, stay happy, stay healthy.